I'd arrived back in Britain half an hour in front of Ginger and Algie, but they were gaining fast.
Hamster, how are you?
We're on our train and we're doing quite nicely. We're 35 minutes from Waterloo. It is down to the wire again. Any minute now we'll see a headlight sweep past the window.
May the best man win.
The race actually starts now.
Blackwall Tunnel. Is that good? I don't know, I just know time is tight. It's the longest I've been stationary in 13 hours.
We've got to run now, haven't we?
Yes. Where'd you get these night buses?
Right outside.
Can you paint them in truffles? Way out.
Come on.
Liverpool Street, Aldwych.
This is it, this is it. Excellent.
Hi. Go. Drive.
Oh, I see bits of London that I recognise. It's Canary Wharf.
Yes. This is what public transport is about. Waiting.
Drive. He's got a Bugatti, we've got a bus.
All those tunnels I've been in today. Smooth and neat and big. And this one looks like a public convenience.
Whatever comes up behind is going to be a Bugatti.
That was the Aldwych, yes.
Yeah.
This is the city. This is the city.
There it is, there it is. We're minutes away, we're minutes away. Go, 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 go.
Another red light.
James!
Yeah, I'm coming.
That's it!
This is it. It's the NatWest Tower, I'm here! Are they here?
Come on.
Truffle, truffle.
The tower was a maze with no direct lift from the bottom to the finish line on the 42nd floor.
B to 21.
21. Transfer to something to go to 42.
Yeah, that makes sense, look. B.
In.
Transfer to lift group D.
Well.
Why don't they just have a lift?
Go. Arrows. This way.
Right, no, hang on. That's not it.
Oh. Excuse me, do you know how to get to 42?
41.
41
Is
it
as
is.
high as you can go in the lift.
41 and walk. Okay, thanks ever so much. Bye. What a stupid building.
34.
35. 36.
Go.
Stairs.
Oh, mate, I'm terrified.
Right, this is it, Hannah.
6.
Let's be
Dignified
composed.
dignity. Good evening.
Good evening.
I don't know, I'm confused. Does that mean we've won? Where is he?
Well, I would say we won't. We're here, and he's not.
That's
What's
a shadow!
that reflection in the window of a ghostly figure? Surely not.
That's horrible!
You unbearable man! I can't stand it. Ah.
Dignity.
Yes.
You got your truffle?
Yes.
Well, unfortunately, they've already got one. So, I'm afraid you're 65 quid out of pocket. Oh, marvellous. Pasta with my truffle on it.
Oh, truffle, good.
It's quite a hollow victory.
Is it?
Because I've now got to go for the rest of my life knowing that I'll never own that car. I'll never experience that power again. And that is a really sad feeling.
Kind of the end of an era in an odd way. Beginning of something new, but